Drop that shoulder. There we go.
Not so much anymore, but I do feel pain going to the left.
Okay.
And I have some pain in my arm.
Okay.
Wow, that's nuts.
Good. Now you're just gonna tilt this way. Yeah, there you go. Good. Come back. Oh, good. Drop that right arm a little bit more. There we go. There we go. Just relax. Good. Drop that shoulder. There we go. That was the money shot. Gut
Explain
for me.
anything like that.
Good. Does that feel a lot better?
Yeah.
Good. Look to the right and look to the left.
Oh my
Better?
gosh. There's like no pain going this way anymore.